Hello and welcome to class today. Today we want to look at how we can differentiate functions using the product rule of differentiation. Okay. Okay. Look at the question. Differentiate with respect to x. What are you to differentiate? You have x squared minus 3x plus 5 all in brackets multiplied by 2x minus 7. If you check very closely, you realize that they are multiplying the two functions. There is a hidden multiplication sign in between here, in between these two brackets. They are multiplying, and product is the result of multiplication in mathematics. Okay, so since you discover that they are trying to multiply this function in this bracket by this other one, so we apply product rule of differentiation. We are going to say solution for product rule. The formula is dy dx is equal to u dv dx plus v the u dx. This is the formula. Don't worry. I'm going to show you how to get your u, how to get your v, and all other things needed in the formula. So let's go on. Okay. Now, how do you get y when you don't have y in the question? We are going to say let the whole of this function be equal to what? Be equal to y. Let y be equal to the whole of this function. So we have x squared minus 3x plus 5 all in brackets into what? 2x minus 7. So how do you get your u, your v, and every other thing in the formula? So that's what I want to show you now. Now, you're going to say again, let this first algebraic expression be called u. Let u be called x squared minus 3x plus 5. And the remaining thing in the second bracket, let v be called 2x minus 7. Let v be called the second expression in the second bracket. All right. Now, one good thing about this is that even if you call the second thing, if you call this one u and call this one v instead, for product rule of differentiation, it will still work. But please, just for now, just call the first one u and the second expression v. Now, what do you do next? Now, differentiate each of these one with respect to x. All right. So if you do that, you're going to have du dx. If you differentiate this one, power goes down. You have 2x, then subtract 1. 2 goes down, then after 2 has gone down, subtract 1, it becomes 2x raised to the power of 1. But 2x raised to the power 1 is something as just 2x. If you differentiate plus 5, it's an ordinary number. We call it constant in mathematics. If you differentiate a constant, you get 0, no matter how small or big the constant is. All right? So if you differentiate, if you differentiate, we jumped negative 3x. If you differentiate 3x, negative 3x, you're going to get negative 3. Then if you differentiate 5, which is a constant now, it will become 0 and it will go away. All right? Now, come over here and come here, differentiate v with respect to x. We write down mathematically as dv dx. If you differentiate 2x, you're going to get 2. Now, if you differentiate negative 7, since it does not have the letter of the alphabet x attached to it, if you differentiate it, you get 0. So it's gone. So that means dv dx is actually 2. Why did I write dv dx and du dx? Okay, supposing we have u is equal to, let's say, t squared minus 3x, minus 3t plus 5. I will change my language to what? To the t, the u, the t. That's because the function is defined in terms of t. Is that clear? That's why. And then the other formula will also be adjusted. Okay? But for now, for this question, it is y and x. So we have it this way. Now, recall the formula and plug all of these things inside the formula and see how it goes. Let's go. All right? So let me use another color. All right. So let's recall the formula again, that dy dx is actually u multiplied by dv dx plus v, this time around, multiplied by du dx. So let's keep going so that we'll keep enjoying this. All right? So what is u? U is the whole of this expression. Go and fetch it. You have x squared minus 3x plus 5 all in bracket multiply by, what is the v dx? The v dx is just 2. So you place the 2 here. This addition sign in the formula, mount it here. Now, what's the next? Go and collect your v. V is 2x minus 7. So we have 2x minus 7. Alright? So we have 2x minus 7 as our v. Now, multiply by, what is du dx? Du dx is this. Fetch it and bring it close. You have 2x minus 3. Alright? So over here, 2 multiplied by all the expression, 2 multiplied by s squared, you get 2s squared, place your minus, 2 multiplied by negative 3x, you get negative 6x, then put this plus, 2 multiplied by 5, you get 10. Now, over here, multiply them one by one. Let this 2x come and multiply by 2x. When you are done, 2x again, multiply by this one. That means you have 2x, then 7 multiplied by this, 7 multiplied by this other one, the answer will come out. Alright, so let's go. Alright, so 2x travels to multiply by 2x, you get a 4x squared. After that, 2x travels to multiply by negative 3, you get negative 6x. After that, negative 7 multiplied by negative 7 times 2x, you get a negative 14. So negative 14x. Then finally, negative 7 multiplied by negative 3, you get a plus 21. Now, rearrange the expression so that the terms that are alike will stay close to each other. If you do that, you are going to have 2x squared is here. Bring this one is the owner of the sign in front of it. Bring it close to this one, because they are alike, you have this. Now, after that, this one has an x, this one has x, this one has x. They are alike. Bring them close to themselves. So you're going to have negative 6x, another negative 6x, and then plus, negative 14. So negative 14x. Alright, so we are through with all the ones that have x. Then finally, we now have 10 plus 21. Alright, so let's go. These two are alike. So 2x squared plus 4x squared will give you 6x squared. Now move on. Negative 6, negative 14x. Negative 6x, negative 14x will give you negative 20x. Now, negative another 6x will give you negative 26x. Or look at it this way. Borrow 6, you have not paid, you have not returned it. Borrow 6 again, and then borrow 14. Altogether, you'll be owing 26. Then plus 10 plus this one will give you 31. So this is, so we are going to say, therefore, dy dx is actually equal to this answer. Another way to handle this question is to expand instead. Since the function given is not too complicated, you can decide to expand this times this. Then you now differentiate one by one. We call it 10 by 10 differentiation. It will still lead you to where we are in this final answer. Alright, so this is what we call differentiation, product rule of differentiation. The formula again is dy dx is equal to what? U the v dx plus v du dx. U the v dx plus v du dx. Alright, so let me give you something that you will do now, and then ensure you submit when you are done. Alright, so we have it there. So let's have this. This is for u. Alright, so differentiate with respect to x. This is the function you are going to differentiate. And then when you are done, carefully check the one that matches your answer. And then